Hi everyone. I'm Trina of Trina's Technobabble. Joining me tonight is the one and only Ron of Ron's Computer Videos. Hey Ron.
Hey, there were two, but the other one met with an untimely demise. So
Oh no.
we're the universe is back to one Ron or fewer.
One Ron or fewer. Okay. And I see Jesse is going to be joining us as soon as he can. He's doing a work thing, so
Oh, that's nice.
yeah, I know. We were messaging. So who do I have in the chat tonight? We got Thomas Armstrong. Hey Thomas. We got Garth Beagle. Garth Beagle, you are correct. We do see a 3D
Look at that.
FX Voodoo Rush card. Yeah.
Oh, those are the
Uh,
worst.
I haven't tested it yet, so
It's everything you love about the Voodoo Banshee. In that it's a nothing. They really
and
tried
that's
hard. The 3DFX people. They
yeah,
really tried hard.
yeah. So I'm going to be testing that tomorrow. We also have Francois. We had Ryan, but he stopped to say hi, and he's off to bed. So sleep well, Ryan.
It's so late.
Well, he also had a long weekend with the sci-fi slash retro computer
Hmm.
festival. So,
Yeah,
because I
it's
did
the
invite him, and he said I sound like one of those bingo card 3 pack a day smokers.
hmm Yeah,
uh,
it was a long weekend. You had the Baimon Sci-Fi Con,
yeah,
which will really see it's every other month. It's not twice a month. That's the
right.
thing. They screwed up. They moved the schedule to twice a month. Now they're all exhausted.
Yes, yes.
It's like all the people that try to do the biannual sale when they really mean biennial.
They could also be pan-annual,
But what?
not by. Never mind.
Mm,
LGBT joke.
mm-hmm.
Uh,
I was giving you a
I was
second to
reaching on
explain
that
it for
one.
the people at
I'll
home.
I'll admit it. I was reaching on that one. The dump needs firmware updates. Yay. So yeah, tonight I had somebody message me asking if I had a Win98 machine. And I thought this Dell Dimension 3000 was a Win98 machine. It's a WinXP machine.
Mhm.
I looked up the drivers and hey, AA, welcome. Hello, RetroFox. Got people joining here.
You normally got to go to a church basement to see AA.
I know, right? And but AA comes to us. So hey, Apple's Anonymous. So yeah, so I said I'm gonna try installing it. I did do a Google search for the drivers. The Dell site still has drivers up for this computer. Surprise, surprise. But only for XP. So I told the person I'm going to try to install XP or 98 SE on it and see what happens. So not to disappoint my viewers, I've already run memtest on it and tested the hard drive.
That's
So
good news.
I'm
You
sorry.
know, Trina, you can always use. Oh, you're huge. You can always use 95 drivers, or you can try the WinME drivers and just YOLO it.
Yeah, the only driver they have on their site is for XP. Like seriously, XP or BIOS.
Oh, okay.
That's it. Yeah. There's nothing else. I did the drop down menu. I was like, maybe I can look in, but
Mm-mm.
okay. So we're gonna go. Oops.
We're
Why
going to
is
Trina's ass cam.
apparently? Oh right, yes, wrong camera. Sorry about that. Ba-dum, ba-dum,
I don't know
ba-dum.
why I need to be here at all while you're showing that, but that's fine. Here,
Da, da,
I'll reach in
da.
and help.
Yeah, thanks. Great. Yeah. So it's a really nice, clean machine. I got it from the guy that I'm doing the selling, um,
Hmm.
like all the stuff for.
Is this some kind of Pentium 4?
Yeah, it's a Pentium 4.
Oof.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Why
Right.
98?
Because the guy is looking for a 98 machine. And so I thought I'd give this a try.
I was going to
And I've
say,
also had an energy drink. So,
okay. I was going to say this.
yeah.
Since since are you under a time constraint this evening?
No, not at all.
Okay. Here's what I was going to say. what you should do
Yep.
is install ME. Hold, hold for sound.
Yep.
Install ME. Once you get it installed, then see what things it can automatically find. And then look at the device manager, take a picture, and then install 98 and see if it just like mostly works, because that whole thing of ME is basically just like a service pack for 98 that added a
Mhm.
bunch of new driver support that might be able to help you learn what the older operating system might accept as a driver if you've got to get into the weeds to find like some USB 2.0 driver or something that just happens to work also on 98.
Okay.
This could be terrible advice. This could be antithetical to what you wanted your stream to be about. I am just throwing it out there because I care about you and your
Yeah.
time.
Okay. Thank you. Can you do me a favor?
Mm-hmm.
Because if
Keep my
I click
opinions to
on,
myself. No trouble.
yeah,
I'm on it.
I mean, you read my mind. No, as you can see, all I can do here is show and hide comments.
Mm-hmm.
But Retro Fox had posted a couple of linkamadoodles up above.
Mm-hmm.
Can you check those on the private chat so I can click on them, please and thanks?
Yeah. Or you want me to just transfer them into the private chat?
Yeah, that would be.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't realize I could do that. Duh.
Yeah, you just
Oh
copy
no, I
paste it.
I I can't even do that. The
Yeah.
3 dots I got is delete comment, put user in
No, no,
timeout.
no. You click it and just drag and select it like any text
Oh,
in a window. Yeah.
oh, I didn't know. I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah. It's way easier than you're than you're assuming it is. But those are
Right
the two links.
there.
So
Okay.
the Voodoo Rush thing, you might be able to go out to Phil's computer lab and download drivers out there, because he has like a pretty big archive of everything 3DFX. So if the whole thing is you're worried about drivers and it just so happens to be that everything is hinging on this Voodoo Rush card, I wouldn't worry about it for a minute. I
Oh,
promise
I'm
that
not I'm
if
not putting I'm not putting that voodoo card in here at all. That's
oh,
separate.
then I'm
That's
logging off.
completely.
That's the only reason I'm here. I wanted to see that terrible video card in action. I wanted to see you run 3D Mark 2001 and for it to just spontaneously catch on fire. Well, now
Yeah,
I am
no, that's
disappointed.
sorry. I'm sorry, Ron.
You
All
better
right,
be.
so somebody has this lovely blog that says if you want sound, you have to buy a PCI Sound Blaster card. Guess what I have sitting in my bin of cards, which I've tested. So, haha.
So,
So
so
they're
it seems to
saying,
think that the onboard sound isn't going to work.
yeah, that's what they're saying.
Well, I wonder if they installed Windows ME to see what it identified the sound chipset as.
They did not say.
Actually, another thing that's kind of cool, Trina, especially for these old machines like this, there
Yeah.
used to be this program. It was called like the driver solution or something
Okay.
like that, which was just like a big archive of drivers from like the Windows 98, Windows ME, Windows XP era, where basically you just ran like a program and it had its own thing that would like look at your hardware and make suggestions for driver. Or no, it's called like driver pack solution. That's what it was called.
All right. While you're doing that, I'm going to say hi to some folks that have joined. We got Carthor. We got Nobin. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but hello. It's so easy to install. Yeah.
Okay.
And we also have Mike's Future Retro. Hey, Mike. We also got Mark from the land down under. Good day. Good day.
Mm-hmm. You can check the
Well,
private chat. I posted something in there for you. And
okay.
it's
Yeah, I just
actually it's not the driver pack solution, but it's on archive.org. It's the ultimate Windows driver pack for Vista XP 98, 95, ME 2000 and 2003.
2003. Yeah.
So you're covering a lot of stuff. It's a gig and a half of drivers. So it's very possible it may have some of the things in there. So
Well, let's
I
give
tend
that
to
a try.
disbelieve when people are like, no, you can't make it work. And it's like, I just don't think you swore at it hard enough. You know?
Hey, socket winch. You're muted, by the way. There we go. We got the hand. We got the socket winch hand. All right. So, yeah. So I downloaded the thingamadoodle that you just sent.
Hey, great.
Okay. So,
I'm not saying that Retrofox's information is bad or
yeah.
methodology is bad.
No. It was just a blog that he
Yeah.
shared. So, I
Mhm.
mean, I'm not.
Not at all. Smart guy in
Okay.
back.
You
Regardless
asked
of
for
what.
printing. So actually, I said working on a 3D printer socket winch. Sorry. I gotta go cook dinner now. Okay.
Okay,
And
bye, Trina. You got to go cook dinner.
no, sorry, I'm reading socket.
You really picked a poor time to start your stream.
I know, right? All right, folks, I'm gonna go cook dinner. Just watch the no. Also, CDI, you missed the beginning of it where I said I've already run memtest on this machine. So sorry.
It's very sad.
So let's start by actually, by the way, an official. This is actually official Win98 SE.
Nice.
I got it from when I worked at Sick Kids. There was a whack of them that were turned
Careful,
blue.
Trina. You don't want to talk about any alternative locations of where you might get a serial number for that. You'll get your video demonetized.
Yeah.
Microsoft's been on a tear recently, I suppose.
All right, so let's move you over here. Let's do that. And bring it in.
Trina, how's your new webcam working out?
It's actually working really good. One thing I do like about it, like it goes like all the way down. So I don't have to like try to. So like if I'm looking inside a case, I can actually show people inside the case.
I really appreciate how you gave everybody like mist vision there for a second. Where it's like you look down at your feet.
Yeah. All right, so let's remove the Ultimate Boot CD.
That's good advice.
Yeah. So let's see. Memory information. Because one thing it didn't tell me.
All right, let's see.
So we got 768. Interesting. What should be fine with this? And we have for CPU. Oh. It's a Pentium 4, 3 gigahertz. Ta-da. So
that'll be a really fast Windows 98 machine.
Yep.
Assuming now I have that it doesn't just crash right out of the gate, because there are some things.
Oh.
Yeah.
I have told him as well that if this doesn't work out, I can also build him a computer with the gazillion parts that I have kicking around. So I only got like 5 cases. All right, so it should be.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you right now. Depending on the chipset on the motherboard, you might actually start your install of 98.
Yeah.
And during the install, it will lose knowledge of the hard drive controller, especially if it's SATA.
It's IDE.
Okay.
Yeah. We're back that far that it's IDE. So.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. And I just realized, by the way, here I am like showing things here. It says it right up top. Intel Pentium 4 processor. All right, so I have it booting from CD first. So we're going to escape.
What are you going to call the machine when it's done? Space Heater?
Yes.
Nice.
Boot from CD-ROM. Ta-da-da-da. Set up from CD-ROM.
Good old Oak.
Blah, 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 blah. So yeah, this might be a part there. This might be a 2-parter. We don't know yet. Okay, let's continue with setup. Sure. Press enter. Blah, blah, blah. All right. I have not deleted the drive though. Should I?
You're
Is it-
fine.
Okay. It'll just automatically do it.
No. But if it's NTFS, it won't be able to see it. So just
Oh,
hit
okay.
next. Yeah, hit continue. Okay. Hit OK. All right. When you get down, yeah, you'll have to restart.
Yeah.
So it's not smart enough to do that for you.
So it's what is it to get into the
All you got to
DOS?
do is just you can boot your thing like you just did a second ago, but then you just go down to DOS.
Oh, right.
instead,
Yeah.
and you can run fdisk and remove the partition.
Yep. Boot from CD-ROM.
You can just go without because you're going to DOS.
Yeah.
You're not launching setup again.
With a. Hello.
All right. fdisk.
So.
Of course.
Yes, because it's an 80 gig drive.
Okay. Display the info before you do anything else, just for fun.
Sure.
And you only got the one drive in there, right?
Yeah, it's only got the one drive.
Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Ameth. It's kind of blurry. What's that say? Amethlon DOS.
Yes.
I'm very interested to find out what that means.
Should I just try to boot from the hard drive and see what's on it?
I mean, you sure could, but I don't know what Amethlon is.
Well, let's do a control-delete doodle.
Amethlon is a low-level Amiga emulator.
Oh. Okay.
If this boots up to like some kind of like Amiga, that'd be really neat. Did you take your media out? Oh, I guess you did.
Oh, I just said boot from hard drive.
That's fine. Oh, so it's got a bunch of Linux on it. Yeah, it's that thing that I just said.
Yeah.
Amiga. Yeah, so it's some sort of Amiga emulator. That's cool. Yeah, you should just let it boot and see if it boots into like an Amiga. That would be really funny.
Booting the kernel, it says.
And I'm saying it wrong, I promise, but it's like, oh, it panicked. Nice. It's nuked. But Amethlon is a low-level emulator that allows x86 PCs to run Amiga OS by essentially turning the PC into an Amiga.
All right, so we had a kernel. Panic.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. All right, let's. Oh, my keyboard's like flashing at me. Isn't that interesting? Okay, let's just turn it off.
Yeah, but you can download and install that again. That's not like it's a big deal. I'm sure you could run like a much newer revision of that anyway. So yeah, fdisk, blow it away.
Yep.
But that's really strange. I just wonder why Windows 98 did not want to install into 100 meg partition.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like, just try harder. Gosh.
Just try harder.
Yeah.
All right.
That's pretty neat. I'd not heard of that project. So.
Yes. All right. Delete partition or logical DOS drive. So that's 3.
And it's you're going to have to remove, there's a DOS partition and that non-DOS partition. So since the non-DOS is at the end of the drive, I think you got to start there.
Okay. So
it's
number
partition
2
is your non-DOS. Yep.
Are you sure you wish to continue? Yes.
Great.
Okay.
Now you can kill your DOS partition.
Continue. Let's 3. And then 1. Enter. Yes. Enter volume label Win98. Sure.
Well, no, isn't it asking you to put in the name of the
Oh,
volume you're deleting?
Oh, sorry. Okay.
I mean, I think so. It's been a
That's what
couple
I'm thinking.
years. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
been
I
a
know,
couple
right?
years. Well, I mean, you can just hit display because that's not the creation step. That's just the delete step.
Yeah. All right. What
Yeah.
primary? I want to delete one.
Yeah. You know, and I think it's saying like verify the name of the, because this is like the are you sure basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. Amy.
Oh, it won't let me.
AMIT. What?
Did I type that wrong?
Well, we can't see at home because you've got your
Oh,
screen
I'm
like
sorry.
clipped off.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And you can remove the names. Everybody knows who we are at this point.
Yeah, true enough. If you don't know who I am, hi.
Yeah, you can just type the rest of that volume label in.
Just hang on for a second. I'm gonna remove that. Remember where it is.
It's in branding.
Style? No. Oh, there it is.
Branding.
Yeah. Style. No, it's under style.
There you go.
There we go. And
Nice.
sorry, I also got to
Yeah.
remove my cleaner box. There we go. You guys can see now.
Wonderful.
So AM. All right, I'm going to backspace this out and try it again. AMITHLONDOS. Volume label. Okay. Are you sure? Yes.
But before you do that,
Oh,
but that's always how that works, though, right?
okay.
Remove
right.
the thing, remove it. But before you do that, no. Now,
right,
I will tell you this. In the old days, they would always say, after you do an operation like this, reboot the machine because it clears out the memory of anything that might be like, in there.
Yeah.
But you can do whatever you want. I think that it is probably more entertaining for you to just push forward. So you should just create your DOS partition.
Okay, so one. Boom. Create primary one.
Yep.
And it's doing the.
How big is this drive?
80 gigs.
Oh, shit. We're going to be here a hot minute.
Hi, folks. Are we ready for a 12-hour stream?
Nah, this will be all right. When we format the drive, we're not going to do it exhaustively because that will be.
Yeah.
That will be a several-day endeavor.
All right. Oh, I didn't see. Sorry, Jesse, I didn't see you join. Yeah. I did not save it. I'm sorry, CDI.
Where'd it go?
Oh, much better. Okay.
Yeah, I have the Win XP home sticker still on the side of the case.
Nice.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're into that.
I'm just catching up on chat here. So while we wait.
I agree. That is kind of interesting. Somebody had it all loaded up with an Amiga emulator. Who knows what untold, previously unarchived Amiga software was on that partition that we just carelessly blew away.
I know, right? So fdisk format C, and then sys C, and then copy Win98 bits to C. Start install from C. Okay.
Yeah. Smart money is on making that Win98 directory and copying all this stuff into it, because then the install is way faster. But you know what? There's actually some new thing where you can. Hey, Jesse.
Hey, run.
There's some new thing where it'll do like a Windows 98 install in like 7 seconds or something. Like you don't have to wait through all of the detection because it just
What?
does the detection again at the end,
Yeah.
like the first time you boot. So it's like, why am I doing the detection inside the install
Mm-hmm.
if I'm just going to be forced to do it again?
No, that makes sense.
We are not put on this planet to understand Microsoft logic.
Yeah, it's Windows 98 quick install, and yeah, no shiz. I mean, it literally does the Windows 98 install in like 8 seconds
All
or
right,
something like that.
which one is my... Okay, I can unplug that without losing anything. Sweet. Modern computers are great, except for they don't have optical drives.
They do. They're just USB connected.
Yeah, that's what I just did. Connected my USB. Hey, socket wench, you got a comment, by the way. I don't know if you're off making supper or not, but ta-da! I love Garth Beagle. I love the print review, socket wench.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna burn that ISO to a CD while we're doing this. That Ron kindly sent over. If I can get the darn CD drive to open. There we go. Sorry, just reading what Socket Wench said. The amazing camera work of putting a $50 webcam on a $12 plastic cereal box.
Well, I spent all the money on the webcam.
Right?
Exactly.
It's not like I had extra money left over just for.
There it is. Okay, cancel that out. Where did that go? There it is. There we go. Sweet. Blah, blah, blah. All right, so do you wish to use the maximum size? Yes. Again? Didn't we go
Welcome to
through
Windows
this?
98.
Didn't we already go through this?
Yes, it goes through it twice.
Well, it's
Oh.
got to prep the drive, and then you can actually make a partition on the drive. Or if it fails that integrity check, it'll try a second time.
Mm. Well, I did test the drive, and it came back, both the smart and like all the sectors came back clean as a whistle. So praying it's good still. Who wants dinner? What's for dinner, by the way, CDI? Before I say yes.
Bad floppy.
How do I do this again? It's been a while since I've done this.
All right, we try you then.
Is it new project? Oh, how do I burn using this program again?
Ugh.
Do the project. No, that's not what I want. Ah. Okay. Confident. It's weird. I've used this program several times, and now I'm like completely feeling stupid.
What program?
Oh, it's K3B for Linux to burn CDs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And I don't remember burn image. There we go. Duh. All right. I want to change this though to this file. Open. Okay. Sweet. There we go. Got that running in the background. Three Sister Stew, corn, beans, ground bison. Ooh. Pumpkin and tomato base. That sounds really good. Chicken and the CDI is having chicken teriyaki with asparagus. Well, you can keep the asparagus. Grilled veggies, rice,
Don't be hating.
ramen noodle salad. Ooh, that sounds good too. Asparagus I've tried a couple times, and people are like, "Oh, you got to try it this way," and it's still just to me.
I think when it's like roasted or something, it kind of like the ends get crispy and it's really good. I think you have to avoid two things. You have to avoid boiling the heck out of it where it just turns into mush.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or not cutting off enough of the stem, because the closer to the ground you are, the woodier and the more fibrous it kind of is. And that's not especially good. I mean, that's really good if you're like, oh, I'm going to cut this up and I'm going to throw it in a stew or something like that where it's got a long time to cook. But yeah, no, grilled asparagus is really good. I know people go all in on, you wrap it with bacon and do things like that. I just like grilled asparagus. You just put a little oil on it, a little bit of the kosher salt. It's excellent. It's really good for you too.
Yeah, no,
And it
I've
makes
tried
your
it.
pee smell amazing.
Yeah, no, not so much from what I heard.
Well, it's only a section of the
Not
population
so much
that
from
can
what I
smell it.
smell either.
But yeah, no, I've tried asparagus several ways because a friend of mine, a former friend of mine, was a cook. So he's like, "Oh, well, try it this way," and I'm like, "Okay." And I've tried it several ways, and it just isn't my thing. So sorry, folks. We're getting there. We're at 88%.
But yeah, my parents get it on their land, or just organically grows there. We get it all for free.
Nice.
Where is that now? Is that the floppy of which I want? Is it?
All right, we're almost there. Woohoo! Let's see, the burn's coming along. It's taking its sweet ass time for some reason.
Windows
Oh.
98.
No. Sorry, the burning of the ISO
Oh,
file. Yeah,
okay.
I don't know why that's taking so long. All right. Ta-da! You must restart your. Okay.
Yep.
Let's rebootalize.
Yep. My advice would also be this.
Yep.
You've just created a partition. You need to format it.
Yep.
But you could do that from the DOS prompt. You don't have to do
Yeah, I
that
know.
inside, because that will take forever.
So again, without CD-ROM support.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yep.
because you don't need it. You're not going to do anything with that.
Okay, so format.
/Q for quick. No. Go back. I think you got to put it before the drive.
I thought it was after the drive, but
Yeah, I thought so as well.
Try it before, because you can always retype it.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, it's happening off screen. How would we even know?
nobody knows, not even you.
I don't know what's going on.
Trina, why is your camera like a fisheye lens?
That's the camera. All right, C colon. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh.
You know the format command on there?
Yeah.
Is this the 98 floppy or what is this?
Ta-da. No, this is
CD.
coming. Yeah.
Trina, you're not making it better.
I'm trying my
All right,
best.
run fdisk again. Let's just
Hold
see
on,
what
I'm gonna try format.
Oh, this is so bad. No, you can just try it. You can just type the word format, and if the command's not there, you're gonna get the same thing.
Yeah, it says bad.
So just launch fdisk again.
Okay.
What is
Ta-da.
going on with you?
So
Do
display
I
your
need to
partition information.
Yep.
Okay. Why is it
Only 10 gigs? I don't know.
it's your well, did you put this drive in there or did somebody else put this drive in there?
The guy that I'm selling this for put it in.
Okay.
But when I did the drive test, it came up with an 80 gig drive. So
But did you test it in this machine?
yes.
Okay. Makes me wonder what the whole deal is with LBA and all of that. This is 98-second edition.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
This Dell should be pretty much plug and play.
Okay. So you have you created your partition. Hit 2. Make sure that partition is set active.
Yep.
Yep, it's active. Great. Okay, you can hit escape. All right. You can just reboot and get into the setup and just see what setup does. Worst case scenario, you can always plug like another drive in and copy the data off of it. I mean, but
Yeah,
if
we'll
you
just
were
try.
to now take that drive and put it in a it's yeah, I was gonna say it's a DOS limit, but
Yeah.
you're not gonna have the format command on there. But
Yeah, I think if you boot with CD-ROM support, you'll have it.
well,
Okay.
because it would be like in the Win98 directory on the CD. But I don't know that it matters. You should be able to. I don't know if 98-second edition is smart enough to then be like, oh yeah, we should format this partition for you.
Yeah, start it with CD-ROM supports and now try your format.
Yeah.
I'll be damned.
So go to the D drive.
You mean the C drive?
No, it says D.
D.
You don't have a C drive yet because you've
Oh,
not
okay.
formatted that
Okay.
drive yet.
Sorry. Yeah, gotcha.
So go to the Win98 directory. So you're going to change directory.
Oh yeah, right. Okay.
Right. Windows
Win98.
95.
Okay. And then just do like a dir space f start out star. Hey, there's your format command. So
Perfect.
now format space /q
And
C
then
C colon.
cool. Okay.
Yep.
There we go.
Yep. Oh, can't be quick formatted. Nice. Well, buckle up.
Buckle up, buckaroo.
Here, I'll bring her in so you can see the percentage.
All right, let's see.
At least with it being 10 gigs, it won't take several days.
I don't know. Let's see. So does that honestly say 10, 78.56?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's normal for when you have at least a 10 gig drive in this
Well,
98 setup.
I think that is just like a size translation error.
Could be.
Like it
Oh,
just
we forgot to sys it
doesn't
as
know.
well.
Well, you do that next. It's got to be formatted
Okay.
first.
All right. Hey, David Starbuck. Blah,
And
blah,
you won't have to
blah.
worry about sysing it because you're going to let setup do that for you.
Okay. Well, we want to copy the files over to the C drive once it's completed.
Yes.
Yes,
and then you can
indeed.
just run the setup from there and not worry about it.
Right.
That's really weird. I'm Googling
Yeah, I
around
know.
about that.
I don't know, cause yeah, it showed as that 80
It
gig
also
drive in
makes
there.
me wonder about what version of DOS is on this floppy that you're using. So
A
as soon as
CD, you
this is
mean?
With the
done,
CD.
you keep saying the CD. That doesn't actually mean anything because you're booting from like a floppy first, right?
No, I'm booting from CD. I
Booting from
don't have a
CD.
floppy in
But
this
why
computer.
is it saying A drive and then asking you if you want to boot from one or the other?
I don't
So,
know.
okay.
That I don't know. But yeah, there's no floppy in
Okay.
this. So
Okay.
yeah.
In any case, whatever that initial boot media is, I'm interested to know what version of DOS it is. Because
Mhm.
if you're making all these things, making these partitions and stuff in a version of DOS that is going to create limitations inside, like for your partitioning, that what's going to end up being your Windows thing, it might be better for you to put this in a more modern machine, just very quickly format it like as a, a FAT
Yeah.
32
It
or a
did say
FAT.
Microsoft 98 when you was when Trina was doing the F disk. It
Sure,
did say that on top.
that's not the same as running Ver.
Yeah. No, I get what you're saying. And hello, Jack68K and Cricky Bones. I love the name Cricky Bones, by the way. And hey, Rudy. Just saying hi to folks in the chat. Da, da, da.
Sure. I mean, you're going to have like 19 hours
Yeah.
of time to fill here, so you might as well fill it up, right?
Right. Let's pull it all later.
It's okay. I got my energy drink. I'm good.
I should really tape that, shouldn't I?
I'm not gonna. Would a full scan disk though show the like the drive size?
It would show whatever you F disk it to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because
This is
again,
the new mem test. There you go.
you're limited by your operating system. So
Okay.
hey, for
Yeah, no,
fun,
like
since you might just have to redo this anyway, just hit Control Z a bunch of times or Control X a bunch of times just to stop this.
Oh, are we
I do.
sure?
Yeah, I
Just
did
hit
like Ron's advice of
just
earlier,
Control X or Control Z a bunch of times, Trina, to
or
stop
Control
this.
C even.
It seems to have locked up. Oh no.
No, it's not. You just got to hit it a bunch of times. You can't
Yeah,
just like.
it's beeping at me.
We can't hear that on this end. So
Yeah, it's just beeping at me.
okay, well, I guess just let it finish.
Let it ride.
Control C. Rudy sign in.
Try Control C.
That's also just beeping at me.
You get your keyboard buffer full, so
Lousy
Yeah.
you gotta
Dell.
wait. You gotta wait for it to finish.
So very true, Jack.
You can also try holding down Control and hitting pause break on the keyboard. That's like kind of the
Yeah.
super user stop what you're doing thing.
All right. Press and
you
hold
idiot.
Control and press and hold pause break at the same time.
No, you just tap it. Trina,
Oh,
have you used computers before? I
You-
constantly
there we
worry
go.
about you.
Do you
Okay.
compute, bro?
Were you just sitting there holding down Control
No, I was
Z
pressing
and Z?
Sorry, I thought you said press and hold. That's why I just double checked.
No, no one said press and hold. I'm
Okay.
not sure why you're distracted. This should be the only thing you're focusing on. All right,
All right,
type
so-
ver.
Second
right.
edition.
Hang tight.
Now I'm wondering if I misread that drive size.
Okay. Max partition that you can have on that is the 24-bit LBA limit, which is 137 gigs. So, all right. So just press up on your
Same as
keyboard
Windows
twice.
2000.
Yeah, up arrow doesn't work.
Or I
F3.
guess,
3.
yeah, F3 is just going to put vir. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can just format /Q C drive. Yep.
What
Give a
was I
sec
gonna do
for
now?
that. Yes. Yes.
It's gonna make you do again.
Uh-huh.
Still, that's really crazy though, that what it says there.
But it can't be quick formatted. Yeah.
10, 68.
78.
Yeah. .56.
Oh, and I got that CD burnt, by the way. Well,
That's so crazy.
All right, I'm going to make everybody the same size because nobody needs to be watching that for that long. Yeah, I don't understand why it's not like in the whole 80 gigs either. Unless, again, I might have misread the drive because it did test kind of quickly. Maybe it is a 10 gig drive.
Then okay.
I mean, I could be wrong with the drive size.
Maybe.
I'm kind of having a feeling I was wrong with the drive size because it didn't take that long for an 80 gig drive to test. Because I know kind of the speed of 80 gig drives to test, and it didn't seem that long. And I was like, that's kind of fast. That's cool.
The other thing it could be too, although a 10 gig would be an odd. Some IDE drives have a jumper for size limit of the hard drive. I know Seagate used to do that with 32 gig jumpers. I wish I had an example nearby, but I do not. I don't think. No, I don't. All right.
Yes, Socket Winch does have a working printer.
The legends are true.
We were joking the other day after the stream that I'm going to have to buy a printer that I have to reassemble, and she'll have to start streaming. And also, congrats, Socket Winch, on getting that, getting it finished and it working again. All right, since everybody's liking Socket Winch's camera, let's make Socket Winch big for a bit.
I don't remember which boss fight this was in Sonic the Hedgehog 2, but I remember if you bounce on top of that a couple of times, you'll save all the little animals and the bunnies and stuff.
Say Socket Wench, neither am I though, and that doesn't stop me.
You wanted to see my first couple of streams. Love of God, my palms were sweaty. I was so nervous.
Those weren't your palms.
Oh. Yeah, don't forget, by the way, if you like watching a really long format, to hit the like button. Do the subscribe. Do all the good YouTube-y things. Also, check out my link, trainustech.com, which Ron helped me get started, for all links to all my online presence. The link of my doodle is in the description.
Ugh.
And thank you once again, Ron, for helping me get that all set up and going.
We haven't done anything yet.
No, I'm talking about the trainustech.com. This is apparently an iPod Touch case.
Who's this guy?
Oh. What you're printing, you mean socket winch? This is not the show format. Very funny, Rudy. Okay. So Creaky Bones is saying F-Disk and format are 16-bit applications and can't display the full capacity, apparently, of the drive,
Yeah.
and can be just ignored as it's purely a cosmetic issue.
Well, that's good. I'm
Yeah,
sure it was
so-
just some translation thing.
Yeah.
Like
And
that's the scientific notation.
yeah. What are we at, by the way? We are at 35%. So the question is, will the print finish or will the format finish first?
He's printing
Place
a
your
scale
bets.
scale model of the Eiffel Tower, so that might take a minute.
That's apparently it's an iPod case, is what Socket Winch was saying.
iPod
iPod.
in this economy?
I know, right? I think it was yeah. Oh yeah, iPod Touch case. Spring will come sooner. ETA is 8:26 Central Time, and it is currently 7:55 Central. So, and I'm at 41%. Yes, Scott Baum would approve it. David said, drive will be done when daylight saving time starts again.
Oof.
So I stayed up and watched the nail-biting World Series last game Saturday night.
Mm-hmm.
Sadly, the Jays did not win, but took them 10 innings to defeat the Jays. So
Actually, it was 11 innings.
was it 11? I thought it went to 10. I thought that game went to 10, but I could
Yeah.
be wrong.
Yeah, I think it went to 11.
Hold on.
I think you guys are thinking of the amplifier from This Is Spinal Tap.
Unlike my Packers that lost to mediocre competition yesterday. Ugh.
Ba-dum. Yeah. Wow. An average, by the way, of 10.9 million tuned in for Game 7. I don't know how many were in person. They also had, not only did they have the Sky Dome packed, although there was 2 seats up for sale. They were in the lower bowl, so you're, I think along first baseline, for $115,503.
It seems like a lot of money.
Just a little bit.
Postseason ball. I was like that.
Yeah. I called Mom and I'm like, hey, can I borrow some money? I'm trying to see if innings. Yeah, no, it was 11 innings. You are correct. I thought it was 10, but
Listen, Rudy, it's kind of like us Brewers with Miller Park. It's always going to be Miller Park, no matter what name they put on it.
exactly. It's Sky Dome until the day I die. Garth Beagle, time to hit control break again. No.
I'd hit it. I'd hit it twice just to make sure.
Just to make sure. How about no?
You're no fun.
How about no? Yeah, we're at 60%. We're getting there. But yeah, both teams left full bases. I think the Jays were eighth inning that they left the bases loaded, and then I think it was the ninth for the Dodgers.
Well, the Dodgers tied it up in the 9th. Don't know the
Yeah.
rest of the details.
Yeah, that's when they got that home run, single home run.
Yeah, and then a bunch of
I-
really
I-
close things.
I scared my cat. I scared my cat because I thought that it was. I think at that point it was 4-4, and I thought the Jays had come in with like the 5th run. And so I was there laying in bed and Opie's all curled up beside me and I clapped my hand. I'm like, there we go. And I'm all like screaming and she like runs away from me. I'm like, sorry.
No, we won't.
Yeah, it was great to, especially that Game 7. Was fun to watch. We're getting there. Sorry, folks. It's a little dull right now.
It's all right. They've been here before. They're used to it.
Thanks, Ron.
You give the good setups.
I know,
Somebody's
right?
gonna knock them down.
Yeah. Yes, Jack. It's actually at 71% now.
Could be
Woohoo.
worse. Could be worse. You know.
It could be at 1 again.
Mm-hmm.
This is not quite as nail biting as that finale.
I know. I was like, oh my gosh, are they going to break out of the prison on Prison Break? And it turns out they did.
The keyboard 2 has the same
1, 2, 3, 4,
keycap
5.
shape.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, interesting.
2, 3, 4.
Francois is saying that the Apple Keyboard 2 has the same keycap shape and labels as the portable numpad.
Oh, that's cool. He would know. He's got one of each.
And David Starbuck. The reason we're effing around with 98, it's somebody reached out to me today and was like, "Hey, do you have a Win 98 machine?" So we're gonna try it on this machine. It defaultly comes with XP.
Defaultly.
I'll
Yeah.
use that from now on.
So I'm trying. We're just giving it a shot. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah, I am not gonna sing for anybody. Really, I don't want to lose like a bunch of subscribers. I think we're good. All right, so the disk is done burning and close up the program. Unsubscribed. Are you unsubscribing, AA, because I didn't sing? Good God. Fickle crowd tonight. Unsubscribed. Again, the person who's buying the computer, David Starbucks, wants Windows 98. I can't say it slow enough.
But listen, they're Starbucks. You're going to have to say it really slow.
Oh, okay.
Windows 998.
98. Subscribed again. Woohoo!
Why?
Say it slower with smaller words. Okay. Oh, right. Yes, you're in Florida. I forgot. God. Man, want, win, 9, 8. Spell it. Ooh, we changed colors on the printer. By the way, we are at 95%, folks. Backwards now. 8, 9, win, want, man. There you go. Formatting takes longer than getting drunk. Oh, how fast are you drinking, Rudy? Good God.
What are you drinking?
Well, that too. And want Magic Computer Box 98. Okay, good. There you go. Oh, now we get the blue.
There we go.
Blue it is. There you go.
What does that mean that it turned blue? Did they switch to the dinner menu? What is that?
Oh, all right. Socket went. Sorry, I'm going to make myself big again. Ta-da!
You need a really unique disk label name, because this is like naming a child. Not like you can't put enough thought into this.
There we go. Win 98.
Sounds great.
Good enough for jazz.
All right, so then I want to
Now you're gonna go to the C drive.
C drive. Yeah. And
You're
then
gonna
directory.
well, you can't CD into it. It doesn't exist yet.
Oh yeah, right. Make directory.
Mm-hmm.
Win 98.
Yeah.
Okay, and then CD Win 98. And then go back to the drive.
You don't necessarily have to. You already know where that exists. So
okay.
So you can just copy, but part of the copy command, you need all the subdirectories too.
Okay.
So it's more than just that. So what you might do is you might see if the xcopy command is on there. So type xcopy.
Which I believe it is.
Okay,
Just hang tight.
it's thinking about it.
Yeah.
No, it
So
says bad command.
it doesn't. So you'll have to just use the copy command.
Okay.
But forward slash Q, because we're gonna look at the other stuff that you gotta know.
Okay.
Don't give it away, Thomas. Or question mark, rather.
Sorry, question mark. Okay.
Yep. Okay, hit enter. Great. If you look up there, you're gonna see that there's a number of commands and stuff that you can
Yep.
use. So the one that you're gonna want says that it's going to copy directories and subdirectories, whether they're full or not.
Uh-huh.
Do you see what command that is?
Specifies the direct. Okay, no. No.
Did it spin a bunch of stuff up like there was too much stuff? I think you can put something else in there that'll pipe the results so it doesn't like blow up past the screen.
Yeah, it didn't blow up past the screen. It's showing all on the screen.
There you go. Okay.
But I'm not seeing their source A, B, destination, V, which verifies it. Y, suppress command that you're
Overwriting existing files, things like that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Causing prompt to confirm.
Okay.
But there's
So you
nothing
see
in
everything. Maybe what I'm thinking of only exists in xcopy.
Okay.
Okay, hang tight though.
I is. Dun, dun, dun.
Real quick, I'll borrow you my copy of a boot floppy with X copy on it.
Yeah, that might just be xcopy. All right. Well, give it a shot. You can just under xcopy it's /s, but you can just try copy /s space :/ win98 / wait, go back.
Okay.
Because you want to get everything in the directory, right? Start out star
Okay.
space,
Dot.
and you can just put period because we're in the current
Yeah.
directory, right? Cool.
Yeah, that's what. Yep, that's what I did. Yep.
Great.
Okay.
Fingers crossed.
Go.
Yep.
Ooh.
Doesn't like S. So
Oh, poopity poop.
you should be able to hit space and then hit F3 and it would type the rest of it under a newer version of DOS perhaps, but
Yeah.
you manually
Sorry,
remove that part of the command. So this is a real thing about like having like a really nice install floppy for older operating systems that have like all the support tools and stuff that make life easy.
Now we sit back and
Listen to
watch
your
this
CD-ROM
go
drive
by.
take off.
Yeah.
Jet engine, baby.
Do, do, do. Well, this is going better, quicker than the format, so yay. All right, let's see what's going on in the chat. Copy the copy program for. There we go. All right, let's run setup. See what it does. Press enter.
I'm excited.
Yo!
because-
You
Hey, it's
forgot
Joe.
all of the special switches to make setup go faster.
Yeah, I know I did.
I know. That's the other thing. You would put that in your special boot floppy, so you got all that.
It's okay. We just spent like 8 hours doing a long format, so
Mhm.
Oh yeah, yeah. They didn't add the quick format for unformatted devices until NT.
Mhm.
And so you're like, oh, it's gonna take forever. Hi, Ron.
Hey. Why in God's name would you change that to Canada? They're gonna
There are
know. They're gonna
two-
know. Microsoft is just gonna deactivate this machine.
Yeah, there are 2 other people here. Who are the other people whose names I can't see?
Hit
label
cancel.
a disk.
Hit cancel.
Okay.
FTHMY D4. Oh wait,
If you don't have a floppy in the machine, just hit OK.
Oh, okay. I'm like, wait, what?
I know.
Ta-da!
Ron, are
This is
you
meant-
two of,
This is meant for people that live in the past.
I'm like, wait, I don't
Am I
have a
too what?
floppy drive.
I said, are you also a an acolyte of the School of Windows 98 install?
Yeah. They literally have a thing now. We'll do a 98 install in like 7 seconds. You can like speed run the install of 98.
Especially just like it's an image, isn't it?
My advice earlier was install Windows ME and see what it says all your device drivers, what all your devices are,
Mm-hmm.
and then install 98. And
Yeah.
then use the ME disk to install the drivers that 98 can't figure out.
Mm-hmm.
So you end up with like this kind of kludged 98, but you can run it on like way newer hardware. But Trina did download like a driver pack that's got like just a metric ton of drivers for older Microsoft operating systems. So hopefully that would do
We
the
shall
same thing.
find out. Yeah. So how
We're
are
gonna
you,
do it
Joe?
live, huh?
I said, how are you? And also, I wanted to say hi to Hardware
Sleepy.
Hacker, who's joined the stream. Hello. Yeah, this was kind of spur of the moment because I sent a message off to Justin, and I'm like, "Hey, are you streaming tonight?" And he's like, "Nope, I moved it." I'm like, "Well, let's make a stream."
I'm stealing your time slot.
Well, he's stealing the time slot that he gave up.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
Jesse. Hi, Jesse.
Hi, Joe.
All right, let's not wait for the bar to fill up. Let's restart now.
I am doing questionable science.
Oh, I just realized it's going to try to boot from CD first, and I don't want it to.
Yeah, it's not like the newer operating systems where you can just let it time out and it'll go past it. No.
Oh, this
Yeah.
one you can though.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, you said if you saw it said boot from hard disk or boot from CD-ROM.
Yeah. All
Nice.
right.
The way Microsoft does it today is better, of course, but
User.
and hello to Hardware Hacker.
Yeah. All right, Joe.
F THMY D4 G69 7Q 426 CQQ 3K FV C8Q. Ha ha!
This is one
I
of the
know
reasons.
all the. I know
This
all
is
the.
one of the reasons I'm like, Joe, I'm
Hey,
installing
Joe,
Win
can you come hang
98.
out?
Join
Yeah.
my stream.
I know all of the product keys as long as it's Windows 98 Second Edition.
Rudy says, everyone write this down. All right.
My
so
questionable
September-
science worked. Not that you can see what I'm doing.
So right now it's detecting the plug and play hardware in the computer. Caution, this may take a few minutes. May cause your computer to stop responding. That's handy. So
Mostly
if
because
the
it just dies of boredom.
I'm like, wait, if the computer stops responding, how
How would you even know?
how would I know? Because then the indicator would stop.
Especially back in those days when this would be incredibly slow, and you would just be like, "Did it lock up?"
This reminds me of one of my favorite little things about the 9X series is that when you do the manual hardware scan when you're inside Windows, it intentionally thrashes the hard drive, not because it's doing anything, but so you know that it's doing something.
It was positive feedback.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just going to take the Win 98.
This is giving me
CD out.
90s nightmares.
You know what the best
Watch
part
the
is?
estimated. Sorry, I cut you off.
No, I was going to say, do you know what the best part was? I couldn't find the CD tonight. That official Win 98 CD I have.
Mhm.
And then I lifted up Jesse's box that's still sitting beside me. And there it was.
Nice.
November 25th. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, that's
What
right.
the
Okay.
November 25th? No.
Yeah. I mean,
No, it's November. The year
Third.
must be 25 because it's
Uh,
day is 3. It's not specific time. Let's go with Eastern time, wherever you are.
it's a fun thing. It gets to 7 minutes on the timer and it takes longer.
because like, there's no way I got here this fast. Let's just put the brakes on.
I always called it the 7-minute stretch, like some sort of baseball reference, because I'm a
Yes.
weird.
Well, actually, it says 10
Seventh
minutes.
inning.
So we
7-minute
have
stretch.
the 10-minute stretch.
No, it'll go 10, 9, 8, 7, and it'll sit at 7 minutes for like 5 minutes.
Ah.
So Joe will come up and be the mascot for the 7-minute stretch.
Yes.
All right.
Hey, Ron.
Hey.
Looky.
Here,
Oh,
look
it's
at
that thing. Neat.
Hey then.
This is a video a VGA
Mhm.
adapter for the Mac portable.
It is a thing that Apple was like, we're gonna make those, and then they never made them. They literally even have like a product sheet for them, and they never made them.
Why not? Have
Or if they
that?
made them, they made them in such tiny quantities that
Mhm.
Like,
Mm.
nobody has them.
By the way, just to live up to my channel name, they are releasing an Enterprise D Lego set.
Okay,
Yes.
that's always nice.
Did this lock up? Because it's still at 10 minutes. Oh,
Who's the 3D printing robot?
that would be Socket Winch.
Oh, hi, Socket Wench. Like, seriously, that 3D print, your setup is so insane that looks computer generated.
I said earlier, Joe, I was like, I don't remember which boss battle this was in Sonic 2, but all you got to do is be like,
Hey, CDI.
Are those
Oh,
citations?
cancel Siri.
oh, wait, that was you? You were the one that canceled Siri?
Oh, wheeze.
Going to go.
I missed the entire hard drive debacle, the formatting.
Yes, you did.
Uh,
Yes, you did.
was that resolution was doing the GUI call today.
No. Mm-mm.
No, we just we let it run. Oh, hey, we're finally doing something.
We went the long way because the long way is more content.
Time is money.
And I'm
Look at this,
pulling a
like-
Dave. I need to do like a 6-hour stream. So
Now you got to go 12 like you did for Halloween.
So it's a long way to the top if you want to stream and troll.
Yeah. Yes.
yes. So
I
right
have
now it's
some-
updating system settings. Oh, we're at the 7-minute mark. All right, everybody get up and stretch.
Yep.
Oh no, it's a sad game.
I mean, if you only listen to like
Ooh,
one AC/DC
fine.
song with bagpipes, you should make it that one.
Yeah, even the music video is good.
Do you know what the best part is, by the way, Joe? I was sent a Linkamadoodle, and it said, "Hey, it may not work with the onboard audio. Use a Sound Blaster card." And I'm like, "Ha ha! Last time I did this Win98 stuff, we did a Sound Blaster PCI card that we know works." So we're gonna see what happens once we get it booting up.
Yeah, I'm thinking that if you
No
got
idea.
that driver CD downloaded, that you might be able to do it. Because again,
Yeah.
I don't trust the due diligence that a lot of people put into doing things. I want
Yeah.
to fail myself.
93%. Way to go!
Here's the
By the
revision.
way, my format it finished before you print. So, yay! We're gonna take that as a win.
Where are the revisions?
All right, blah blah blah. Enter a password if you want. I don't. Go away.
What? Some kind of compact laptop on Jesse's channel?
That's
I know.
That would
What?
never happen. He's
What?
losing his mind.
Well,
Hey,
that's old news.
there we go.
Neat.
Windows
Alright.
98.
Make yourself big and bring up device manager. This is the money shot.
I thought MSN was that.
Let me make myself big.
MSN
Alright.
money.
Mhm.
Joe, are you checking out her monitor? She left it in the dryer too long.
Yeah, I know. It's all
Warped
like kind
it.
of pulled into the corners. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Right click on
this
my
is-
computer.
Oh yeah,
Mhm.
right. Thank you.
Properties.
Been a hot minute.
Get
device
old.
manager. I know.
Look at all
Right.
the garbage.
I love it.
Look at it.
Okay. You should put that other CD in there. And
Yeah,
let's
I'm gonna-
see.
Do that now.
Where
Da-da-da-da.
do you see revisions?
Yeah.
Is there no way to minimize you?
No, there's not.
Not in 98.
No, that's
My computer.
Install startup disk in drive A.
Oh, maybe we're seeing the second. Where is this removable disk?
it's
A?
always going to show that because you have a floppy
Oh.
controller in the machine.
Gotcha. Why are
Well, I don't
That's
know.
all?
Why do you have two optical drives?
I don't know. It has two of them in there, but why is it not seeing the drive?
It's possible that you recorded the CD too fast and these drives are old and haven't been recapped and you need like very fine or very clearly defined pits and grooves to be read.
Gotta
Lot
burn
of
it at 1x
factors.
speed.
Mm-hmm.
All right,
Or as
let's-
slow as your burner can burn it.
Why are you just flashing at me?
And to the Starbucks brothers, you better knock it down or we're going to have to put you in different corners.
Let's try the second drive just for shits and giggles.
That's it, Starbucks brothers. Go to your room.
Yes.
Starbucks Brothers. There's only one of them in the chat, I
No,
think.
no, they're both.
But he started it.
Okay, go to the garage. I don't
The
care.
two of you are as bad as all those cats you own.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, this is looking better. All right. So it did
Did
bring
you
up
put the
the.
CD-ROM up on the right way? in the
Yeah,
setting?
no, I just put in the second one. Driver?
You're not going to be able to do this. You're going to have Windows like just search that.
Oh, I see. Okay. Ta-da.
So start with your VGA.
All right, properties. Driver.
Update.
Update driver.
I don't
Next.
understand.
Search.
Okay. CD.
Specify turn that off. Specify locate. Nope. Specify location.
Oh, okay.
Turn off the CD-ROM drive.
Yep.
Okay. Now browse and go out to that. You're gonna have to hit cancel. Yeah, there you go. You're gonna have to go into the disk. You're gonna open that up
Oh, okay.
and then pick the driver directory there.
Nope.
This might be a thing where it's like that it's not smart enough to like drill.
There we
There
go.
you go. There you go. All right.
Just got to keep drilling down.
Yep. Ooh,
Ooh,
nice.
Look at
Now,
that. Next.
and then just keep doing that.
Cannot be found. Oh no.
We can only see half your screen though.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, the path name at the end. You may hit browse.
Yeah.
Go find that path again manually.
Drives.
There it is. Hit OK.
Yep.
Hey, look at that.
Trina, just
Cool.
scoot the camera back.
Yeah.
Zoom out. We can see the monitor pixel assholes of the
Okay.
monitor.
Finish.
Nope. Nope.
Nope.
Nope. Close. Close.
Oh, it's gonna.
Not X.
Oh no.
That's fine. Just no. Just go back in there, Trina. Just do as many as you can.
Okay.
And then just reinstall the driver. Yep. And just do what you did a second ago. Just
Yeah. Sweet.
Okay. That one might be more trouble. That's okay.
Is that an Ethernet driver? Yeah. Is that
Yeah.
an onboard?
Yeah.
Is that a logic board?
Yeah, it's
on the board.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
probably like a Broadcom thing or something. So don't worry about that so much.
Okay, so cancel this out.
Standardized test
Yeah.
rules. Skip the ones and come back to it.
Just hit OK again because you're just going to the same place. So
Oh, okay. I don't need to
yeah,
do that.
just hit
browsing.
OK again. See what happens.
See what?
Okay. Yeah, you might have to manually go there again.
Okay.
You might have to actually go down those directories and hit OK. No, you have to go to the first one and hit
Gotta
OK.
double click on them.
Yep. And now go back. No. No.
All
Browse.
1,000 directories.
Browse. Browse.
Yeah,
Browse.
hang on. My keyboard's falling on me. Chill.
Browse. D.
It's an old Windows 98
Double-click it.
thing. It's just dumb. You just have to manually
Yeah,
go.
you have to go down through the directories.
Open each directory, and if it has
Yep.
machine.cat,
No,
you're good.
stop
No,
hitting
nope.
OK. Stop
Hit
hitting
browse.
OK. Browse.
Look on the left. See how it does not have
Oh, okay.
machine.cat under machine.cat? That means it's not in that
Yeah.
directory. So you have to go up one,
Yep.
pick the next directory.
Yep.
Nope.
Nope.
Do it again and again
Next.
and again and again until you find it.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Try go all the way to the bottom to see how far you want to have to go.
A lot.
That could be another 8-hour stream.
Yes.
That's XP.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying it for shits and giggles.
So here's a thought. Could you try doing a search out of the if you go to the start menu, do a
You could.
find
This
for that
is
file?
faster. I mean, if I was doing it, it'd be faster. But
Sorry, do what again?
just keep doing what you're doing.
Okay.
No, stop trying to hit OK. Just
Yeah, I
keep doing
know.
what you're doing.
Oh.
Eight. So we copy you to that.
205 is next.
Yeah. I just accidentally double clicked. 300.
Trina, are you fighting some sort of muscular problem?
Yeah, my back is hurting. That's all.
I can tell.
But we're okay. That was 401, 500.
Uh-oh.
501.
This is good because now you can turn this into a brand deal with Levi's.
I don't know if I did 801 or not. 802.
But to have that brand deal, you have to go through at least 10 different meetings and setting up.
Hey, what's
Oh.
this? This is looking positive.
Another folder.
Yeah, it's just another folder.
Oh. I just got all excited because I'm like, wait, it sees another folder.
I see something different this time.
Yeah. What is that? Was 802, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh. That was 900, 1000.
Hi, I'm Joe. I do stuff wrong all the time. Let's go do this. Boop, 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 boop. I'm just gonna have to do it this way. Boop.
Please bear with me. We'll maybe find this stupid thing.
I have no idea how this did what it did. Just gonna hit.
Sorry, what was that,
No.
Jesse?
Nothing of value here. Just cursing myself here.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Oh my giddy aunt.
There we go.
That was 1603. Common. Just for poops. Nope. $17.01.
Oh yeah, beam me up.
Do 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 do.
Wrong one.
It was only this weekend I actually saw the whole Sopranos mashup of Star Trek.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Sopranos: The Next Generation.
Yeah.
Cool. So that's all fixed. Mhm.
Is there not an easier way to find this stupid phone?
There is,
Like,
but
through
this
a
is more fun. This is
Yeah,
the struggle.
but it's
The
also hurting
struggle
my
is part
back.
of it.
Also, my back's starting to
You,
hurt.
you don't remember doing this back in the day, Trina?
No, it's most of the time we just had the drivers ready to rock and roll. The website's
Ron,
already
she
had
never
the drivers.
suffered like we did.
No, I know. That's
No.
why these young people need to learn. All right. Well, you've put in like the old school effort, so do what Jesse said.
Okay, what did you suggest, Jesse?
You can just leave what you got open. In the background, open up my computer.
Okay.
Right click on driver's E.
Yeah.
Find
Find.
machine.cat. Just type the word machine.cat. And find now.
Oh,
now.
cat. Okay, find it now.
Well, that's special.
There you go.
Is it possibly on the Windows 98 disk?
Oh my god.
I don't think. Maybe.
I don't think
Anything's possible, but just hit cancel on that. Close that. Hit
Yeah.
cancel on this window in the background. And hit skip file.
Skip file.
See, it wasn't even needed.
And then
It
close.
very may well be just already like on the system somewhere.
Yeah.
No, you've already done that one.
No, not this one. She did the one above it. That was the Ethernet. This is USB.
Yeah.
Okay, because this one had an exclamation point versus a question mark.
Ooh.
Are you okay, Ron?
No,
All right, I am.
no, it's exciting. Browse.
Let's go here.
Yeah.
Browse. D. I'm not going through that bullshit again.
I'm gonna guess
What?
that the person made this disk is a dog person because he keeps missing the cats.
Do. Oh, I have a button for that.
Okay, fine now. Oh, no, wait. Oh. Fine now.
How now, brown cow?
Moo.
There you
Hey,
go.
there we go.
Oh, it's right in the thing there.
Yeah.
Driver
so
D.
why isn't it-
You can hit skip then, because this is another situation where it found it, but it like isn't smart enough to let you know that it really found it.
Oh, okay. So just cancel this out and skip file.
Yep.
Cool.
Uh,
Finish.
Hi.
Close.
What is
Okay.
going on?
Now
there's
go,
also a-
yeah, do that.
Nobody can see a damn thing that I'm doing.
This is not a bad little CD.
Yep. Do it again. Hit skip.
Yeah.
Yep. Nope.
Should I? No.
Nope.
Okay.
Close. What else you got? Now go ahead and restart.
Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna pop that CD out just to be safe. That driver thing in case it tries to boot.
That's really fast.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, that's fine. Cancel. Oh, maybe I
Still
should
looks
left
like
it
it's
in.
in 16 colors.
Freaking
Yeah.
WebP garbage.
Settings.
Yeah. It is still in 16.
No. Yep. You have to play with the video
No.
driver some more.
Okay, cancel that out.
Yeah, maybe because when you hit X, it didn't like it.
It is possible.
Oh, now it's now seeing a different thing.
Well, yeah, it's
No, it wasn't
seeing
Dell.
what it is, but yeah, go ahead and
Hit-
do
Go
it
to
again.
properties.
Yep. Oh, I can't find any input output range.
Go to
Resources.
resources. Go to resources.
Resources tab.
Yep.
Set configuration manually, and then it'll tell you what's missing. You're gonna have to scroll. Used by ACPI BIOS. Yeah. So if you hit cancel and scroll down, yeah, expand system devices. Interesting. That is very odd. I am going to punt.
Try it again, because you did some Intel chipset drivers themselves. One was I think the SM bus.
So, sorry, try what again?
Try the video driver one more time.
Okay.
Because you did some Intel. No, don't hit cancel.
Oh, also,
Right.
766 megabytes of RAM is going to eventually cause Windows 98 to lose its fucking mind.
Yeah,
If it's more than 512, it does not behave
Not
right.
like it.
yeah.
All right. Well, for now, well, I still got the. Okay, I'm going to put that driver just back into the E drive. And then
Worst
try-
case scenario, Trina, you can just do a reinstall of 98, and then there's a command line switch you could put in that just turns off the power management stuff, and then there's nothing to conflict because it won't put the drivers in for the ACPI stuff.
Install one of the
Okay.
other drivers. List. Next. Or hit OK. Actually, yeah, hit OK. Hit next. It'll just force it to reinstall. Just click OK.
All right. This time I'm going to reboot, but I'm going to leave the CD in because I don't know if it maybe was trying to pull stuff.
It
when
wasn't.
It rebooted. No.
No.
Okay.
That's not how
No,
that
that's not
works.
how 98
Oh, why are you hitting cancel?
I'm not. No.
You just
Sorry.
did.
No, I just.
Trina.
Let's try rebooting just for funsies.
This isn't going to fix it.
No, I know, but it's Windows.
Again, worst case scenario, you just do a super quick install right over the top of what you got and just turn off.
It'll find
ACPI.
everything that's already in the driver database.
No.
and just rewrite it.
No. It'll specifically force it to not do ACPI.
Oh, that thing. Yeah.
Yep.
No, I can tell you right now, it's not working.
Yeah, no, I
No.
just thought I'd try for fun.
Yep.
This would not work. I mean, this would work if you had an HP.
Actually, funny that you mentioned that. I do have an HP XP machine.
See, there you go.
What's the goal here? Just
Money.
So
just
the
install
goal
it.
is I just had somebody contact me and said, hey, I'm looking for a Win98 machine.
Mm-hmm.
I thought the Dell was a 98 machine. It's an XP. So I said, I'm just going to play around and put 98 on and see what it does. And if not, I have like a shit ton of parts. I can build a 98 machine that I know
Gotcha.
worked. So yeah, this was more just, hey, let's futz around with this and see what it does or what it doesn't do.
My name is Joe.
So, I mean,
His
it
name
kind of
is Joe.
works. Yeah.
Go back to your device manager once.
Yeah, I can totally do that.
Go back to that video card driver.
Launch it out of a cannon into the sun.
Properties, yeah.
Then go to resources.
Yeah.
So go set config manually. Yep.
Yeah.
Uncheck that use automatic settings box and see if it.
That's
And then you
not-
have a new drop down, and right below that, and crap.
And one option.
It was worth
Yes.
trying.
I also love that ACPI BIOS is what it's saying it's conflicting with, but that doesn't literally exist in the installed drivers So it's just like, yeah, no, yeah, no.
Yeah, there's just something hanging out there that it doesn't know how to do with. Okay, so let's do this, Trina. Okay, just reboot the machine.
Yeah.
And start hammering F8 to get the boot menu.
Yeah, pretend it's your second date.
F8.
we're dating
F8,
Windows 98,
F8,
we're in trouble.
F8, 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 F8.
Okay.
You got it.
Okay. Safe mode command prompt.
You want?
Okay.
Do you want safe mode or?
Safe mode command prompt. So now go into CD Win98. Okay. What you want to type in is setup /P space I and hit enter.
I have never seen that one.
And then
before.
just go through the setup.
Ron is teaching me things.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fiddlesticks. What I should have done was see what size windows that the drive was.
What size windows that the drive was. I love it.
Those are
Yeah.
not words, but okay, sure.
What
I
an
mean, they
interesting
are
combination of
words.
sounds.
They are words.
Me not notice.
Did I mention I have a bit of
Jack says
dyslexia?
you could just format again. Just next, all the
Yeah,
way
yeah.
through this. There's nothing to
Yep.
read. There's
No,
lots
I
of next buttons. to click.
Gobbledygook, yeah.
Next.
Well, I can't click next. Look, it's grayed out.
You just keep
What
hammering it
lies?
until it's available.
Pretend
It's like
my
Elton
name.
John tickets. You just keep going.
Is it too late to go to OS 2? Please.
What's that? Sorry?
Windows 2? Yeah. Why
OS
not?
2.
OS2.
Yep. Is it too late?
But yeah, I mean, if this doesn't work, I have a shit ton of parts. I literally am sitting on 6 beige cases
That sounds
that I can
painful.
slap a board in and that I know will run nicely. See, there we go.
You should just pick Cambodia this time.
All right, while this is doing this, I will be back. I'm going to grab my water.
That's code. She's got a poop. All right, let's see. Don't everybody talk at once.
Parts.
Twice.
I'm programming poorly.
I'm
Me too.
learning.
You could format again. Very funny, Jack.
How is that?
Look, faster
So what are we trying to
performance.
do at this point, Ron?
Again, you're setting it back up, but you're
Yeah.
doing it in a way that does not take into account ACPI. Like it does not try to detect it. It ignores it. So that way
Gotcha.
that when you get back up into the operating system, the resources that it was trying to reserve for ACPI will now be open for your video card to use.
Cool. And it's the onboard,
Hopefully that
onboard
is
audio, or everything's on board
uh-huh.
on this bad machine. There's nothing added on.
Okay. Great.
So just to give an update on that, there's no like network card or anything like that. It's all on board. So don't say you're not tempted to format again out of spite. Okay. I won't say it, but
You can do it.
I'm just gonna sit here and nod.
I mean, why not?
Blah blah blah. Setup is ready. Oh, my back sucks. Being old sucks, by the way. In case no one's ever
Aren't you
told you that.
25?
Somebody said that to
It's a multiple of 25.
somebody. Yeah, right. Somebody actually said that today.
Did you
Replied
get their number?
it was a guy, so kind of the wrong tree, wrong forest.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Who am I to
somebody said,
judge?
"Aren't you just 25?" And I went, "Oh, thanks." I did reply nicely though.
It's like, thanks. You apparently have never watched my content. Wait, hold on. Sorry, Trina.
Wow.
I'm
thanks,
mean.
Joe.
I'm sorry.
Thanks, Joe.
Oh, you're not.
Oh, and look at that. Joe magically disappears. Wow, by the way, hello to all 19 viewers that are on tonight. Thanks for tuning in to Am I doing this for out of no reason, but we shall find out. But thank you, yes, all for tuning in. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I don't stream every day, although there was a point where I was, but it
You would've
depends
been
on my
sad.
mood and how much spoons I have. We're invested now. Yeah. Also, don't forget to
Riveting
check
information.
out trinastech.com. Linkamadoodle is in the description. You can find all my online presence, including my coffee account. If you can afford it, chuck me some dough. Be greatly appreciated. For
I
back,
mean,
for
she's got to
back
pay
pain,
Steve Shives like $5 every time she says that.
every time I say that, yes.
It's quite expensive. Quite expensive.
We Steve and I have a great deal going, so we're fine.
A great deal of what? Exactly.
That I can't answer. It's all without the searching. Yeah. Hey, John. Hello.
Ooh, itchy spot. Itchy ear spot. Ooh, itchy.
Garth, the correct answer is don't.
I'm taking notes when I try to install Win98.
Like your favorite Edgar Wright movie. Don't.
What?
Who is next? Oh, it's Joe.
Then who was phone? Wait.
Yes. How is Babby formed?
There we go.
Also, which size do you have of that computer, Garth? Because there are 4 different sizes that I can come in. I just did a Google search for it. Didn't they come with Vista? I want to say Vista, weren't they?
The 745 came with both, I believe.
Look at how
Actually,
it just
Vista,
detected your video, your monitor. On
Look
starting.
at that. Kind of. Yeah.
Magic.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Give it a sec. The good old CD's got to spin up.
Yep.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Next.
Yep.
Finish.
Okay.
Ta-da.
Let's see them device managers.
Yeah, just give me a sec. This thing's gonna take forever. Properties. Device manager.
Everyone
got
is
is-
welcome. for this little bit of knowledge that I just dropped on
Nice.
y'all
Nice.
about
Thank you.
ACPI and Windows 98.
Let's just try it one more time just for shits and giggles. Because
It is
hey,
Yeah, this might be a stretch.
yeah, what I could do is also try the XP driver just for funsies. Yeah. Okay.
XP won't, because that's a totally different driver.
Oh
model.
yeah, right. Yeah.
Windows 98 or Windows ME, yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
I wouldn't worry about Ethernet. I mean,
Yeah.
seriously, if you're wanting to play DOS games and do goofy Windows 98 games, networking is like the least of your concerns.
I still only got 16 colors though.
Yeah, that might
Fewer
be all you
16.
get.
Yeah. But we can bump up maybe the
You
resolution.
can't do that either.
Take
This
it
is
to worry.
basically like just the base mode of everything.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So
it's
if
only
I
got so
wanted
much
to,
address space. So
and if I wanted to do the audio drivers,
did this have an AGP slot on the board?
no, it just has three
PCI.
PCIs.
Okay.
This
Yep.
is super budget build we're talking here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. I guess I don't know what else to do at this point.
Well, you got an OS on it.
Yeah. So I will contact the person tomorrow because I also sent him a link in Madoodle to the stream tonight. So I don't know if he's watching or not, but go, hey, come on. Why aren't you ejecting the CD? Why did the computer just freeze up? Oh, okay. That just took forever. Cool. Well, I'm going to shut her down. Boom. Boom. I'm going to come back. Only 20 minutes. All right. We got to wait 20 minutes for Socket Winch's print. I like the red. I'm really digging the red Socket Winch. No, not the shutdown. The shutdown happened, yeah. I can come back on camera.
We know how to shut down your computer. Isn't that great?
Hi, folks. By the way, thank you to Run
No.
for all the help tonight. Oh, fudge balls. I'm going to turn the computer back on.
Klaxon.
I said fudge balls. Why is there klaxon going on?
Well, since you said that, I had to use the equivalent versus the real sound.
Oh, okay. No, I like that. Klaxon. All right, let's change my camera back. Maybe. Okay.
Hold on. Oh. There's something I wanted to do first.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna properties. There it is.
74 gigabytes.
Well, technically,
That's a lot of gigabytes.
Technically 80, but yeah.
Well, formatted.
I think it's
No,
a clip art.
Right.
We had
Marketing 80.
Hey, here's
Yeah.
the other thing you want to do. Go into Device Manager. Go back into Device Manager.
I can do that.
Okay.
I'll close you out. Properties.
And you want to go into the hard disk controller. And you want to go into your standard dual PCI IDE controller. Settings. Okay, never mind. Hit cancel there. Go into those other two. Go into the primary IDE.
He's checking for a specific setting.
Yeah. Okay, never mind. That may only be on if you're running different versions of the chipset driver. So I would not worry about it.
It really depends on the chipset too.
Yeah. But there is some jiggery pokery you can do in there to take the heavy lifting off the CPU, which was kind of a big deal back in the day.
Mhm.
Seemingly less of a big deal on a Dell budget build.
Oh, so what were you going to tell me to do, CDI?
It was too late. It was when it boots up, it has that welcome screen. I was saying, click the do not start on every boot on the bottom left hand corner.
What?
Oh,
What's
I
the
was-
fun in that? I want to hear that horrible, like, that
Oh,
bell and that
Yeah, but the best part
church
is
bells and stuff.
we have no audio, so there is no
Yeah.
bells.
Yeah, this equivalent to a bell and howl. There's no bell.
It's just a howl at this point.
Yeah, howling
Connect
mad.
to the internet. Look at this. Let's connect to the internet, shall we?
Okay, you got to click. No, Trina.
I know, I
Yes. Okay.
There we
Oh God.
See, I've saved that would have saved 10 minutes of your life already. How many times you have to boot?
Yeah, I
think
just
you're-
wanted to see what size that Windows saw the drive as. So, yay, cool.
There you go.
There we go. All right, we're gonna go back to some hot 3D printing action. Turn on the red light. Socket wrench.
Now you got to pay
You
Neil
want-
Diamond a bunch of money.
Garth Beagle says we want 2 colors. You're gonna make me turn this computer back on, aren't you?
Not with that attitude.
it's a burn-in period.
Da-na-na-na. What 2 colors? Oh, so there's a setting I can do 2 colors. We're gonna
Mhm.
I got back. Just for Garthy Poo.
For Garthy poo.
Oof.
Wow.
Oof. Let's see.
Okay, let's restart the computer.
It may or may not fully do it.
It is not happy.
What
Yeah,
did you
okay,
guys
it
do?
does not like that.
What did you
Nope.
guys do? I looked
256.
down for 2 seconds and you guys broke it. Cannot believe it.
Well, I tried to change it to the 2 colors,
Are
No.
you surprised, Ron?
No.
and then it
No, that doesn't.
went
no.
it went all bonkety boo.
Yeah.
So I've
you
changed
cannot
it back
do
to
that.
16. There we go.
Yeah. Technically
'Cause Gar-
speaking,
'cause Garthy Poo wanted to see it in 16 or 2 colors. So
mhm. Technically speaking, 16 color VGA is a thing because it's all just an extension of 16 color EGA. It's more about resolution than it is color depth. So technically speaking, it is still VGA. This would be like you have to think too that your VRAM also controls exactly like how many colors you can have in Windows. So
640 by 480.
if it can only figure out how to address the first like 256K or something like that, then that would be all you would get. Because I remember back in the day, if you had like a Vesa local bus or Visa local bus, depending on where you're from, Vesa local bus card, like you absolutely wanted to try to get to a megabyte to make sure that you could get 16-bit color. So it's like I think like 1 meg was 16-bit color, 512 was 256. And then
That is
like
correct.
256K was like 16 colors, stuff like that. So, but most cards came with at least 512, so you could get 256 colors because somewhere along the line, people got their head wrapped in that it was like 256 colors absolutely meant VGA and all that. And I think part of that was game industry people really pushing the idea that you so that way there was a differentiation more than just resolution. I could be completely wrong, and I'd love to see somebody make a video about that very topic, because that's something that factors in, especially with like Sierra in their games and things like that.
Mhm.
Because they're for a very long time they produced 16 color EGA and 256 color VGA games, and they would produce both because there was just a point where your 486 machine, depending on what level it was, if it was a 46 SX or something like that, like sometimes those games would just perform better if you played the EGA version. Yeah, there's 1-bit. 1-bit could probably finish this up. So what did you hear what I was rambling about? Because you
And
may
also,
just
I
have
just
the
wanna
correct answer.
Also, I just want to quickly say hi to 1-bit. Welcome. I suppose that run. Yeah. I don't know if XP could run in 16-bit, but then you didn't have to worry, because guess what? All the drivers on the Dell site are for XP. So
Another thing too, you could look for the Dell Dimension 2400 drivers, and you might get a few. You might get lucky.
I'd put a VGA card, or I'd put like a PCI VGA card, like a, I don't know what would be a fast one. I would put like a Matrox Mystique or a Mystique 2 or a Millennium or something in it. That's like getting to peak PCI speed.
So interesting enough, I
Or-
looked at the Dell Dimension 2400. Operating system is BIOS, not applicable in Windows XP. There are no Win98 drivers for it.
Well,
Or if
they
you-
just
if you
didn't
can go-
support it. I'm
If you
sorry, I
can
didn't
ever
mean to
find,
interrupt.
I'm sorry. If you can find the one in video card, the number 9, 128-bit,
Yeah.
that was on 2 PCI cards. I saw that in Fry's
What
years
I'm
ago.
going to do is contact the person and say, here's the system I got. Here's what it has, and make me an offer.
That's fair.
Because this guy has like other stuff. So I'm like, yeah. And if not, we can talk about doing a build with all the parts I have, because I have better stuff that actually supports
My
Win98.
name's Trina, and I have all the parts.
I got all the parts.
Except the one you need.
Ain't that the way?
But yeah, there's no ME or 98 drivers for the 2400.
I think
on the Dell
RetroTech
site.
Chris did a whole video about it.
That sounds like something he would do.
I just want to see this thing when it comes off the printer at this point.
Hey, everybody.
We've only been gone for 2 hours. Not like the last time, Joe.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, that felt like my entire adult life.
You weren't even on that stream.
I know, I couldn't because it felt like it took my entire adult life.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just politely minding my own business, and there was Trina trying to take up my entire adult life.
Buried alive.
Oh God. Yes.
Wait, hold on. Sorry, I gotta get my Mac mouse mic and slide it together because it's coming apart. Okay, are we ready? Here we go.
Meow.
Except for A, wrong movie, and B, wrong person.
What are you talking about? That's Ricardo Montalban. That's
Yeah, no. But what I'm
Rathicon.
saying is the person talking to the Mac mouse.
All you
was
got to
a Star
do
Trek
is
core,
all you
and
have to
Scotty-
do is look. Okay, right. This is called a meta reference. Okay, because Kirk is on the planet and he's holding his communicator and he's
Yes,
screaming into the
fair.
communicator. Okay,
Yes.
so if you don't have the communicator, the next best funny thing
Is the
is
mouse.
2
Okay.
movies later, which is the mouse microphone.
So Trina,
Which
it's a
our
parallel
friend
dimension.
Jesse made reference to earlier tonight. This is called meta humor.
Okay.
It's even funnier when you explain it.
Sorry, it's just the Star Trek nerd in me that comes out.
It's okay. Trina, when are we going to that thing in well, I know when we're going. It'll probably be in 2028 or later. But when are we going to that thing in Ticonderoga, New York? Have you seen this?
I have not seen this. What am I
Okay,
missing?
well you can Google. It's Ticonderoga,
what?
New York. It's the Star Trek experience, some kind of thing, a bridge experience or something. But it is a guy. It is the guy who ended up getting the Galileo 7, like the original Galileo 7 prop that was like in somebody's barn for like 40 years.
What a bust,
Got it,
dude.
completely restored it, and then was like, I've done this project. I should do something else equally crazy. And he now has like a warehouse that inside has reproductions, like, and I mean, contacted Paramount, contacted people that worked on the production, and has like accurate to like every possible measurement copies of like the original Enterprise, like
Bridge set.
bridge set, and
Oh,
like
cool.
engineering and hallway sets and like Kirk's quarters and a bunch of other things. And occasionally they do something where they'll have Bill Shatner there, or they'll have Mike and Denise Okuda, or they'll have other people that are associated with Star Trek productions, and they will just stand around and tell stories and things like that. So
That
I
is
am fine to
crazy.
show up on a day when the tickets are not $140.
Yeah, I just
but-
was looking at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this sounds like a fun thing. Unfortunately, there's like, it's kind of in the middle of New York State. There's like no good way to get there, but it does seem like it would be a lot of fun.
Let's pick a
Ron.
random place in the middle of nowhere.
Ron, you can go there for free. You just wear the red shirt and just blend in.
Oh, is that it?
Yes.
I thought you were gonna say you just show up after hours. There's a
No.
they
you
leave
just
a
blend
key
in.
outside. It's brick shaped.
No. If you wear the red shirt, you'll blend in. You may die at the end, but at least you can be there.
That's true. That's true. I'll just tell them that I'm Gus Flegel. Was that his name?
No, but you don't
Fleegman.
tell them.
Gus Fleegman.
But you don't tell them this is your last shot before you got your SAG card.
Yes, it is true. I need
These are the-
this one last thing.
Here are the photos of the recreated sets. Unfortunately, can't click on them.
No,
Can I? Oh, I guess that's kind of
you
Well,
can,
enjoy
but
your
you just
postage
can't.
stamps and like them.
You
Yeah,
can't
you know.
click on the same thing 30 times and
Yeah.
generate 90 tabs in your browser. Who do you
is-
think you are, Joe?
Hey, quiet.
That is really amazing though that he's done this himself.
Well, it's a crew of people. And again,
Yeah.
he very much had to rely on folks that were part of the production, because like,
Right.
and it's more than just like, hey, do you remember how big this was? It's like the original plan, or like, set plans is what were utilized. There's a whole story and there's videos and stuff that are out on YouTube. So you can actually see like the mini tour stuff that he's done, but it looks like a lot of fun to just go and
Yeah, it does.
kind of see all that.
All
Until
right, one
Usher
bit.
shows
We're
up.
gonna I'm gonna fix this problem for you right now.
Gonna fix his wagon.
No, he's not in the min. He wants to share a Linkamadoodle. That's 1-bit. I don't know why 1-bit is not in the min. So I'm gonna go to the stream on the YupTubs and make you in a min.
My phone just made a bip.
So you can share the Linkamadoodle. Because it's not like I don't know you.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
After these messages.
All right, 1-bit, you are now a moderator. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Oh yeah, no, that's really cool looking, Ron.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it seems like it would be a good time.
Yeah.
But what do I know?
That one's good. You know that one's good.
You can get a Shatner November tour 2025, David Gerald tours,
Mm-hmm.
or just tours. How much is a tour? Oh, that's not bad. Standard tour is $24 USD.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's really cheap to go, and I think that they're but I think they very much kind of hedge on these like big fan experience sort of things that are like, yeah.
I
Where it's
mean,
like, oh, show up the day that John Delancey sits in the parking lot and regales us with stories about like when he was on soap operas in the late 70s.
we could you, I, Joe, and I don't know, we need somebody else.
People that are
another
close
third.
by, like
Yeah.
Steve would be
No,
close
because
by.
they have a family of 4 discount bundle, and I'm like, we need to come up
really?
with 4 of us, and I can just say you're my uncles.
What? I was gonna. They're more reasonable to believe that this is like some sort of polycule. It's.
I mean, we could run with that.
Yeah, I was gonna say. They'd be like, wait a minute. Are you one of those families from the Expanse trying to get a land grant on Earth? If there's no follow-up questions, yes.
Hey, Rodville. Welcome. We're just kind of shooting the poop while we wait for Socket Winch's print, which looks like it finished. It ain't moving, Socket Winch. So we got Windows 98 installed-ish on
8.
the computer. We're missing a network driver and the video driver. A bit wonky, but already removed it. Oh, I didn't even see you removing it. Do you want to show it on the camera? I have a Pigamadoodle.
I like how it sounds like somebody is like keeping bees at their house.
Cat. Under a cat already. Okay. Under a cat. Hi, say hi to Luna, by the way. All right, folks. I'm going to end the stream.
What?
Yeah.
What?
What?
You better end
Craziness. But thanks, everybody, for tuning in. Thanks again to Ron for the help.
Ron's the best.
If you can
and
call
everybody
it
else
that.
for all the help. So yeah, again, don't forget to hit like, and if you're new, do the subscribe button thing. Yeah, again, check out trinastech.com. You can find links to everything. Linkamadoodle is in the description. On that note, thanks everybody for joining. We had Ron, we got Joe, we got CDI, we got Jesse, and thank you to everybody who is in the chat.
Yep.
See you at the next one. Bye
Good
for
night.
now.